All right, we're here in Big Cypress National Preserve, and there we are. Hello. And then over here on my left, there's a tiny little orchid known as the Yellow Helmet Orchid, Polystichia concreta. And I'm hoping that this will give you a good view. I don't know if this camera will focus that closely, but we'll give it a go anyway. Cute little thing. Each flower is only about the size of a pea and shaped like Darth Vader's helmet. So most people call it the Yellow Helmet Orchid. I like to call it the Darth Vader Orchid. And then over here, we have this fascinating little fern. And this is the fern that went to outer space. Years ago, NASA took this little fern and dried it out, and it curled up, and as you can see, this one's drying up and curling up, and all you can see is brown there, but it's still alive. Well, NASA took this fern, took out 90% of the water content until it was all shriveled up and dead looking. And then they sent it into space on the Space Shuttle Discovery. While they were in space, they sprayed water into this container, into which they had also put an Alka-Seltzer tablet. The Alka-Seltzer dissolved and produced carbon dioxide, and within 6 hours of spraying those dried up ferns, they had rehydrated, opened up, they were green, and they were converting the carbon dioxide to oxygen. So it was a successful experiment into a natural way to clean the air for the astronauts. So kind of a cool concept if you think about it. They could send unmanned missions to the moon and to Mars and pack it full of these little ferns. And then when people arrive, set up a greenhouse and spray them with water, and you have an instant oxygen factory. The Resurrection Fern.